The herb thyme is native to the Mediterranean area. Many forms or varieties are available today, each with their own unique characteristics and common uses. Golden lemon thyme is one of gardeners' favorites. It is smothered in stunning spikes of lavender flowers rising above the foliage from early to midsummer. Its attractive tiny fragrant round leaves emerge in spring, turning green in color with distinctive gold edges and tinges of creamy white the rest of the year. It should only be grown in full sunlight. It prefers dry to average moisture levels with a very well-drained soil and will often die in standing water. It is considered to be drought tolerant and thus makes an ideal choice for a low water garden or xeriscape application. It is not particular as to the soil type or pH. Golden lemon thyme plants are a lovely addition to an herb garden, rock garden, border, or as container plants. A popular herb grown not only for its culinary uses but for its attractive foliage. Golden lemon thyme plants can be planted to form a ground cover or among pavers along a path or patio. The tiny flowers are a bee attractor, aiding in the pollination of surrounding plants. Fresh leaves and flowers can be used in salads and as garnishes, and you can use the leaves fresh or dried for making thyme butter or cooking oil. Add golden lemon thyme to chicken breast with a drizzle of olive oil and some freshly milled pepper to make a wonderfully aromatic chicken dish for supper or lunch. The oils of golden lemon thyme plants also make an excellent mosquito repellent when crushed, useful when outside in the evening working in the garden. Thyme remains a popular remedy for sore throats, laryngitis, and dry coughs. Herbalists also recommend it for other respiratory ailments such as whooping cough and bronchitis. Thyme is also used as a digestive aid. And aromatherapists often recommend the essential oil for people suffering from mental stress, PMT, fatigue, and depression.